Emo and Semo na Municipal Director of Health ewa Aowin menseno emu Joseph Abbas na wose kwane ya Ghana yafa so yi ni se ba yade ahodo entumi nsai no a te se kwata na afa atwifade mu no wose ani a yedidi yade ahodo esai no achi no emu edin chen de yedidi da yade ase obi a entumi ntre kofro enko foforo so no eso na wose ha adwen pasanse oba Western North empotemu ho no mu a sa yade no kwa na ekoswe kame ese yeni achi no tra na etrete ma ha adwen pa.
Municipal Health Director Aowin Joseph Abbas ene Adom News Central for etwetwe nkomo abra womo enya amoa efri rec farm ene municipal assembly no ema mo pa odwumadi a womo de beboa omanfo ewo mpatemu wa mo nyansu papa na omapomuden akosoro eho ana odi tudwa se emre aso se omanfo ema wonini ekọ enuanum a womo eyare kwata ene yare ahodo bi a omanfo ede won adwene akosi honhom ensem nsuntinu safoi womo ema wonini enkomo ewo mpatemu ahodo.
Diseases are endemic in the Aowin municipality: yours, schistosomiasis, lymphatic filariasis, and onco. And so every year we do the mass drug administration as a strategy to eliminate these conditions. So we do annual mass drug administrations. Now, the diseases are not spiritual; they are physical diseases. And so anyone who contracts any of these diseases should visit the health facility as the first point of call for assistance. You could call the rec farm hotlines or visit any health facility and you'll be given some assistance as to how to manage it. So they are not spiritual, they are physical diseases.
Director Emma Rec Farm in Binglo and so Edin Simpson a tour Adom News in Central for him.
We have statistics in like as of 2022, there are 151,500 and something cases that were identified in our wing. The DPP test was done and 150 was confirmed. When we started the project, we came and do a baseline survey. We have 3,250 confirmed cases of yours. And since we looked throughout, there have not been any intervention from the Ghana Health Service in this area. They have done the test kits and all of that. It's okay. They have proven that it is there, but there have not been any intervention like what we are now having.